Hey guys, and welcome back to this really special video. Today I'm in France, in the Camargue, and I'm here in a really big nature reserve. I know, probably you can hear it already. In the background are chirping lots of birds, and I already saw some flamingos, and everything is full with birds here, and I'm a bit overwhelmed right now because here's so much to photograph. Unfortunately, here are quite a lot of people, so you have to pay some money to go in here. So if you hear some people in the background, don't wonder. But now I'm just walking around a bit. Unfortunately, it's midday right now and the sun is shining quite hard. I hope there are coming some clouds later, so that the light is not that hard. But we will see. It's not possible for me to photograph here in the evening because we had to drive about 2.5 hours, so quite long. But now I'm just walking around a bit and see what I can find. Oh my goodness, guys. Can you see all these flamingos there? Right back here. That's incredible. Here are thousands of birds. That's amazing. And oh my goodness, guys, here are so many mosquitoes and they are biting me all the time. And the sun is shining really hard now and it's so warm. I think I have to put out my cap. But it's amazing here. So it's about 2 hours away from where I was last summer in Spain. But that's a completely other level. So here are so many birds. That's just incredible, and you don't really know where you should start to photograph them. But as I said already, unfortunately the light is really hard, so it can be hard to get good photos, but we will see. But the good thing is that the birds are not shy. And that's because here are lots of people every day, and they are not getting feeded or something, so they come completely here free, and just because the habitat is so good. So right now I'm trying to take some hikes because that's nearly the only way to get some good photos in the hard midday sun. And just a short moment ago, a bird was sitting probably 5 meters in front of me. I have no idea how this bird is called in English. In Germany they are called Waldrapp, and I never saw this bird before, and I was able to take some really nice portraits. So that's just incredible. And right here to my right is the sea. But here are no birds right now. They are more in the little lakes. So now I'm on top of a little tower, and you can get a bit better view. So you can see there are always like little rivers and lakes, and nearly in every lake is standing flamingos. So here are standing some as well. And this area is quite really huge. There's flying flamingo somewhere here. There it is. And that's just incredible. Unfortunately, we are here only for a few hours. But imagine you are here at sunset or sunrise. That must be amazing. But here, I give my best now. Okay guys, now I'm here in a little wooden hut. And this is completely crazy because I can nearly go down to the eye level from the flamingos. And they are, when I arrived here, they were standing a flamingo probably 2 meters in front of me or 3 meters. And I was able to photograph them pretty good. And that's so amazing here. I'm so happy that we decided us to drive 2.5 hours here, because that's completely amazing. And of course here not only flamingos, here are also a lot of other species, some sandpipers. Yeah, I honestly don't know all the English names, but something that is here as well are wild horses. Or they are not completely wild, but they are living here in this nature reserve, and 3 of them are standing right probably 100 meters in front of me, and I'm trying to go to another little hut now to photograph them a bit more closer. But at first I want to show you the view I have out of the little windows here. So check this out. And when I was arriving, the flamingo was standing right here. That's incredible. And of course here are standing lots of flamingos as well. So it's not getting boring. Okay guys, I'm now in this other hut, and the wild horse are standing quite probably 30 meters in front of me, and that looks so amazing. I took some videos now and some photos, and that's amazing, that's just amazing. And right in front of me, so probably 10 meters, are standing some sandpipers as well, so quite 5 or 6 of them, and they're flying around all the time. So I think I already took some really good photos. Okay, I was now in a few more huts photographing some flamingos and other birds, and now I'm going back to the entrance because I meet there with my family and we're going to have some lunch now, and I hope that I can photograph a bit more after lunch, but if not, I was already quite really successful, and it were some really beautiful hours here in this nature reserve, and it definitely already paid off to go here. But now I have to be a bit fast because I have to walk probably 15 minutes and then it's time to have some lunch. Guys, here in this tree behind me are nesting some herons and some egrets. That's really cute to watch them, but it's hard to photograph them because they're in the tree. But I never saw little egrets, so that's really nice. Okay guys, I had some lunch now and I found now a way better place to photograph them, or to photograph the flamingos, because I found this area here where I can go really down to the water, and I'm photographing them now when they're sticking their heads underwater to look for food. And luckily the sun is behind some clouds right now, or it's coming out again, but for some minutes it's always behind some clouds, so the light is way better. And this spot here is perfect because there's a flamingo right probably 5 meters in front of me and I can photograph it really good. Unfortunately here are also lots of people around, but that does not matter because these animals are not shy, they are used to people, so that's working pretty good. Okay, just behind me we're walking around some sandpipers, or I hope these are is the correct English name, I'm not sure. And they came probably 3 meters close to me, so I took some really nice portraits. Unfortunately it's really hard to make the background here like blurry, because I always have to photograph a bit from up to down, and then the water's in the background and that's too close to make it blurry. But I think the photos are quite really nice in any case. Oh my goodness guys, can you see all these little white points here on this little island? All these are egrets nesting there. That's totally great. Oh my goodness, what is going on there? What the hell? Wait, I have to take photo. What is going on here? What the hell? Here's so many flamingos and the birds were flying around everywhere here. What the fuck is going on here? What the hell? I'm a bit overwhelmed now and I have no idea what I should photograph, to be honest. Oh my goodness. Okay, what I tried now is to underexpose a bit, because I was lucky and the flamingos were standing in front of a really dark background, and it looks awesome when you just see the head of the flamingo and the background is black. That's really nice. You can just photograph here for hours and it's not getting boring. Now they're fighting a bit. That's incredible. But I think we're going further on with the car in a few minutes. Probably we're going to another place where I can photograph some birds, but I'm not sure if there are birds. So right now we are on little lakes and we want to drive further to the sea. But we will see if there are any other birds. Now we're going back to the car. Okay guys, we're now here at the sea, but here are no birds anymore. But that does not matter because I think I was really successful today. So yeah, we're driving back home now, 2.5 hours, and then I just say you goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, it would be really nice if you subscribe my channel and give this video a thumb up. And then we see us next Saturday. I can just say have a great week. See you out there. Bye.